Looking for the best wireless mouse for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 wireless mouse that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a wireless mouse that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended wireless mouse. Number 1 on the list is Logitech MX Master 3. Durable with a premium feature set that'll help boost productivity and a very comfortable design, the Logitech MX Master 3 is the best wireless mouse for you. It's not made for gaming, but its sensor goes up to 4000 dpi, which is impressive for a productivity mouse. You also get per-app programmability for its 6 buttons, including 2 scroll wheels that you can set to do different things upon launching specific apps. The Logitech MX Master 3 impresses with an innovative electromagnetic wheel and the power to control up to 3 PCs simultaneously, including transferring files, text and images. In addition, it's wireless, offering either a dongle or Bluetooth connection. You also get a comfortable thumb rest and heightened design that lets your thumb and fingers rest comfortably. Plus, the dark field sensors work on almost any surface, so you can use it for working from your desk, on the couch, and anywhere in between for up to 70 days, according to Logitech. For productivity, our reviewer has been virtually inseparable from this mouse since first meeting it last year. Now, it's also available in a lighter gray. And for Apple users via the Logitech MX Master 3 for Mac tuned to work with macOS and iPadOS apps. We've tried cheaper options with similar functionality, like the Logitech MX Anywhere 3 and Dell MS7421W, but none match the MX Master 3. Second on the list is Logitech MX Vertical. Ergonomic mice, especially uniquely designed ones like the Logitech MX Vertical, aren't for everyone. Vertical mice are meant to be more comfortable for your arm and wrist, since they don't force you to twist into unnatural positions. But this odd shape and method of controlling a mouse will take getting used to, and you won't reap the benefits right away. It took me about a week to stop squeezing the mouse unnecessarily, to make up for my fingers' tendency to slide down the MX Vertical slope. And you shouldn't expect miracles either. If your arm or hands are consistently hurting, you should see a doctor, not buy a mouse. Even Logitech only claims of 10% reduction in muscle strain. But if you're interested in trying out a vertical mouse, the Logitech MX Vertical is the gold standard. Erected at a 57-degree angle, the hand sits in a handshake position, and once I got used to it, my thumb found comfort in the soft thumb rest, while the fat base filled my palm and provided comfort. The whole chassis is a soft rubber with vertical lines running through for a finish that's very similar to the Logitech MX Master 3 above. You also get a precise, but slender, rubber scroll wheel with tasteful silver accents and a strong press-in, a DPI adjust button on top, plus 2 side buttons. However, those side buttons are high, making it hard to reach with the thumb naturally, especially the Number 3 on the list is Razer Pro Click Mini. If you're like me, you spend a lot of time using gaming gear for productivity purposes. Often, it's the cheapest way to get your hands on gear that approaches professional-level features. Razer, known mostly for its gaming peripherals, now wants to address people like you and me by taking the features it's known for in its gaming products and translating them to a line meant specifically for productivity. Enter the Razer Pro Click Mini. This mouse is the second productivity-focused pointer from Razer and features quieter switches and a smaller footprint than the first. But unlike other productivity-focused mice, it's also got a high max DPI, 12,000, a 1000 Hz polling rate, 7 programmable buttons and 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity. Plus, it's got 5 onboard memory profiles, and you can remap buttons, including the 4-way tilt wheel with both infinite and ratcheted scrolling, in Razer Synapse. That makes this an especially powerful contender for the office, with lots of versatility and highly responsive input, although its sleek gray and white exterior and comfortable ergonomics mean it's still at home in your boss's line of sight. It's a bit of a shame that it uses AA batteries instead of being rechargeable then, especially since those batteries do make it a touch heavier. but with a purported 465 hours of 2.4 GHz battery life and 725 hours of Bluetooth battery life, it's easy to just stuff this in your bag and forget about it for months on end. Also a perfect mouse for the gamer with a more reserved aesthetic, the Pro Click Mini points to an exciting and more varied future for Razer's. Number 4 on the list is 5. Logitech M510. What even is a best mouse, anyway? Don't you just need a way to point your cursor without too much delay and without hurting your hands? If this sounds like you, the Logitech M510 will be your new best friend. Its no-frills design makes it one of the most inexpensive mice on this list at $20, while its 2.4 GHz connectivity keeps it lagless. Meanwhile, its comfy, ambidextrous body should fit nicely into most hands, and its two side buttons are accessible across palm, claw and fingertip grip styles. Its software, Logitech Options, is also robust enough that you can easily get more advanced with it later on, once you've started to see the light of fancy mice. You can set the DPI up to 1000 with Logitech Options, for instance, although it's somewhat obliquely presented as a pointer speed slider that refuses to give actual numbers. You can also swap the left and right mouse button functions, easily view battery life and map any number of functions to 5 of the mouse's buttons. These include keystroke assignments, common functions like copy or paste, and even a gesture toggle that works with mouse movement to open up even more mappable actions. What's even better is that you can set the mouse to have different profiles per application. These Logitech Options features aren't unique to the 510, but it's good to know that you can still access them, even if you go for the most basic of Logitech's mice. Speaking of basic, this mouse glides well with its 4 rubber feet and boasts a 24-month battery off its 2 AAs. At 0.28 pounds, it's also easy to lift and travel with. All around, this is a great starter mouse, although its ambidextrous design leaves it with a somewhat underdeveloped thumb rest, and it doesn't have special features like an infinite scroll wheel. Number 5 on the list is Microsoft Modern Mobile Mouse. The Microsoft Modern Mobile Mouse is a thin little credit card of a pointer that presumes that the most comfortable form factor for a mouse is to have as little mouse in your hand as possible. This makes it great for travel and style, especially with its 8 available colors and Bluetooth connectivity. At 78 grams with batteries installed, it's easy to carry around with you and push around a table. At the same time, its sleek rectangular exterior makes it difficult for certain grip types to handle it, and it doesn't come with extra buttons or too much configurability. With just a left button, a right button and a scroll wheel that can't tilt to the side, this mouse isn't meant for more than basic work. The scroll wheel's push-in button can be remapped to input a key combination, open the screen snipping tool, or even input a macro, but that's the most advanced usability you'll get out of this mouse. Otherwise, all its software will let you do is swap the left and right click, change how fast the wheel scrolls and in which direction, and adjust your DPI. The max DPI is higher on this mouse than what you'll find on other productivity-focused entries, though. The minimum DPI is 400 and the maximum is 1800, which means you'll be able to easily track your cursor across all sorts of resolutions on monitor sizes. There's no doubt that the mouse's lightweight nature lends it a certain level of comfort, as it doesn't take much force to use, although it can feel bulky in the hands thanks to its rectangular shape. That's a bit odd given how small the mouse is, and it doesn't help that palm grip users don't have much of a body to rest their palms on. Still, this is a good mouse for Bluetooth devices, casual use, travel and those who prefer lightweight and small accessories that stay out of the way. It also looks good, but its functions are limited, and it's not the most comfortable for all types of users. Just now is a list of 5 best wireless mouse that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, you will receive our latest videos. Thank you.